Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Ben Sarek, black currant. We're out here looking at currants. I just took the netting off of our currant bed, and we haven't harvested them yet. And but I wanted to get out here before the birds start taking care of them. But black currants are kind of a fruit that there's so many of them the birds can't get to them before you harvest them. Ben Sarek is a good sized currant. It's larger than a lot of our other varieties. We just did a video on steel drum black currant, and it is similarly large size. So it's very nice to work with and eating out of hand. Let's take a taste. So that's a little stronger tasting than some of the others. It doesn't have as much sugar. But if you want to process it, that stronger flavor makes baking it, like anything, sweet cherries or something that's tart. If you bake it, it makes it a lot more enjoyable, and the flavor will come out much better when you process it. Black currants are definitely an acquired taste for me as an American who didn't grow up with them, but I've grown to like them. And while there's some that you can't eat out of hand, there are others that you can just snack on. Just by looking at the foliage here, you can see it's a very healthy plant, and it like all of our currants, when we talk about them, we remind everybody that they're very easy to propagate. You never have to spend a lot of money in a nursery for a black currant or gooseberry or any other kind of currant, because all you really need is a cutting, and there's really a high percentage success rate if you were to try to take that cutting and put it in soil and just have it root on its own. And on that note, once you have one plant, you can multiply them every winter by just taking cuttings and potting them up, and then you have something to give to friends or grow your orchard. This is Ben Sarek, black currant, very healthy plant, large berries, very productive, and probably not the best for fresh eating, but the taste is very strong and good, and it would be great for eating in a jam or including in any kind of baked good. It would make it a good taste if you just add a little sugar.